My name is Dr. Ron Salzetti. I'm an OBGYN with Scripps Clinic. Trust and confidence are the most important things in building a relationship between the doctor and the patient. And part of it starts with sitting down and listening to patients. If patients understand that you really care and you're honestly interested in what they have to say, what their problems are, then that goes a long way to building that trust. I think what patients can expect coming into our office is a very professional experience. We do our best to run on time. Obviously, an OBGYN practice is a busy practice. Occasionally we have emergencies. Babies don't always come on schedule, but we do our best to run on time. We have a very professional staff, a very caring and kind staff, from the receptionist at the front desk, through my nurse who brings the patients back and puts them in the room, through myself when I come into the room. We want to make sure that that's a seamless, caring, compassionate experience for the patients. One that is going to help them get through whatever problem or condition they're dealing with. Obviously, if we can prevent a disease from happening, that's got to be our goal, because once a disease happens, then it involves a lot more pain, trouble for the patient. So if we can do things, especially to prevent cervical cancer, which is almost a completely preventable disease, and breast cancer, at least with getting early detection, we can make a huge difference in women's lives. One of the greatest new technologies that's come out in the last few years is robotic surgery. The chance to use new technology, a robot, to aid us in minimally invasive surgery. We do a lot of laparoscopic surgery in the OBGYN field to remove ovarian cysts, to remove uteruses, to remove fibroids. And this robot has allowed us to do much more difficult cases. Cases in the past where women would have to have a big open incision, 3 days in the hospital, a 6-8 week recovery time. We can now do through very small incisions. They go home either the same day or the next day, and they're back to work and school within a couple of weeks.